Here I'm reading Notes from Underground by Fyodor Dostoevsky, and here are a few lines which I have underlined because I found them intriguing or exciting, to be honest. And the first, I was a spiteful civil servant. I was rude and enjoyed being rude. Um, this is the first chapter and the second page of the chapter. So here we are introduced with the character, um, which is unnamed here. I don't know because I don't remember. I'm picking up the book after almost 1 month, and I have a very forgetful memory. So please stand by that thing. Okay. So here he is a spiteful civil servant, and he describes himself as enjoyed being rude. Um, how can that happen if there's a conscious human being who's conscious of his actions and he knows that he's being rude? He knows that he's being rude, and then he tries to be rude still while knowing that he's being rude. Um, I hope I'm making sense. And if he's a conscious human being who is being rude to people, wouldn't it affect him even at the slightest level? Um, but at the same time, he explains himself as I never took bribes, so I had to compensate myself in some way. He he explained himself as rude, but it's ironic. Like he's trying to compensate, as Dostoevsky has written. He's trying to compensate that by doing a bad thing. He's doing a good thing. In the other hand, and it's kind of funny and ironic as well. Let's discuss this topic then. So let's take an example that if you do something wrong and if you do something right on the other hand to compensate it, does it really get compensated? Like, does that happen? Because in back of the mind, it always goes like, no, I've done that thing wrong, and by doing this thing right, it's not gonna make any change. And this is a huge topic to think about um, as I'm talking to myself, and there's no one listening to me. So I can't really go deeper because I need some interaction to get deeper into this conversation. Because I can only present my views, and there will be no one to like question myself. Um, so I'll not be satisfied with what I say, thought. But at the same time, like if someone is being rude, and other hand he's being like he's being honest, that thing can be considered good because at a place where bribery happens most of the time, 99% of the time, and he's being aware of it and still not choosing to do it is commendable.